Welcome to my online class. I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, TGT English from JNV Nanded. Today, let us see what silent letters are in English. In an alphabetic writing system, a silent letter is a letter that, in a particular word, does not correspond to any sound in the word's pronunciation. English is full of silent letters. The English language has a lot of silent letters. Silent letters cause difficulties for both native speakers and English learners because they make the spelling of words different from their pronunciation. Here are some common English words with silent letters from A to Z. Let us see. A is silent in these words, okay? Artistically, logically, musically, romantically. We are not pronouncing A here, okay? Silent B. B is silent in these words: limb, comb, crumb, depth, doubt, numb, subtle, thumb, and toe. See, in all these words, B is here, but we do not pronounce B here. B is silent in these words. Let us see silent C in these words: acquire, muscle, scissors. C is not at all pronounced in these words. Silent D. D is silent in these words. C. Give attention to the words, okay? Wednesday, sandwich, handsome, H, bridge. D is not at all pronounced. E is silent in these words: hate, name, like, breath. Okay, let us continue. F silent. There are no such words for F. Silent G. G is silent in these words: sign, champagne, gnaw, high, light, rain, though, through. See, G is not at all pronounced in these words. Silent H. H is silent in these words: honest, ghost, hair, hour, what, weather. I is silent in this word: business. Okay. Now, silent J. There are no words for the letter J. Silent K. K is silent in these words: need, knife, night, no, knock, not, no. K is not pronounced in these words. Silent L. L is silent in these words. Students always they say would and should. So don't pronounce these words because L is silent here. This is actually would, should, calf, half, salmon, salmon, talk, yolk. Okay. M is silent here. Monic. N is silent in these words: autumn, column, condemn, damn, hymn, solemn. Okay. Silent O. O is silent in this word. Listen carefully. Kernel. This is kernel. P is silent here. Cough, pneumonia, psychology, received. P is not pronounced in these words. For Q, no words. For S, island. Don't pronounce this Iceland or Island. This is actually island. T is silent in these words. Asthma, ballot, castle, government, listen, report, recorded, soften. T is silent here. U is silent in these words. Colleague, guess, God, guide, guilt, guitar, tongue. There are no words for V. Now let us go to W. In these words, W is silent. We don't pronounce it. Okay. Answer, sword, to, whole, wrist, right, who. Silent X. Pause is a word. This is a French origin. It means a social mistake or inconsiderate action in a social situation. For example, not inviting his mother-in-law to the party was a serious false pass. Okay. There are no words for Y. For Z, rendezvous. Rendezvous is another word of French origin meaning a meeting or appointment at a specified time or space. Alternately, it can mean place of meeting. For example, Bob and I have planned a rendezvous this weekend so that our families can get to know each other. Thank you. Have a nice day.